Hello and welcome to today's speaking practice test. The cue card of the day is describe a memorable holiday or vacation you had. You should say who did you go with, when and where did you go, what activities did you do. Also, explain how did you feel about the experience. Here are some quick tips for you. Remember the past, present, and future rule while making notes before you talk. Don't speak too quickly. Keep talking until the examiner stops you after 2 minutes. One holiday that stands out vividly in my memory is a trip I took to Bali with my family a few years ago. I went there with my immediate family, my parents, my younger sister, and myself. We decided to go during the summer break. Bali, Indonesia, with its amazing beaches, lush landscapes, and rich cultural heritage, was our chosen destination. Our days in Bali were packed with a variety of activities that catered to everyone's interests. We started our journey by exploring the vibrant streets of Ubud, immersing ourselves in the local culture by visiting temples, markets, and art galleries. We also indulged in traditional Balinese cuisine, savoring the flavors of local delicacies. One of the highlights of our trip was the adventurous side of Bali. We went on exhilarating hikes to discover hidden waterfalls nestled amidst dense jungles, and we even tried our hand at whitewater rafting along the Ayung River, which was an adrenaline-pumping experience. Snorkeling amidst colorful coral reefs and tropical fish was another unforgettable experience that left us in awe of Bali's natural beauty. Reflecting on our time in Bali fills me with a profound sense of gratitude and contentment. It was not just about the landscapes or thrilling activities, it was about the moments we shared as a family, the laughter, the conversations, and the sense of togetherness that strengthened our bond. Our trip to Bali was a memorable escape from the routine of everyday life, filled with exciting adventures. Even today, those memories continue to bring me joy and gratitude, serving as a reminder of the importance of connection and exploration. Part 3 of the IELTS Speaking test involves a deeper discussion with the examiner on topics related to the theme introduced in Part 2. It usually lasts around 4 to 5 minutes. This part aims to assess your ability to express and justify opinions, analyze on issues, and engage in more complex conversations. How do holidays or vacations contribute to overall well-being and mental health? Holidays or vacations contribute to overall well-being and mental health by providing a much-needed break from routine stressors, allowing individuals to relax, recharge, and rejuvenate their minds and bodies. In what ways can travel experiences broaden one's perspective on the world? Travel experiences can broaden one's perspective on the world by exposing them to diverse cultures, traditions, and ways of life. It challenges preconceived notions, fosters empathy, and promotes a deeper understanding of global interconnectedness. How important is it to disconnect from technology during holidays or vacations? Disconnecting from technology during holidays or vacations is crucial as it enables individuals to fully immerse themselves in their surroundings, engage in meaningful experiences, and foster genuine connections with people and nature. What impact does travel have on understanding different cultures and traditions? Travel facilitates a deeper understanding of different cultures and traditions by providing first-hand exposure to local customs, beliefs, and practices. It promotes cultural appreciation, empathy, and respect for diversity. How can individuals make the most out of their holiday or vacation experiences? To make the most out of holiday or vacation experiences, individuals can prioritize meaningful activities, step out of their comfort zones, interact with locals, and embrace spontaneity while also allowing for moments of relaxation and reflection. What are the benefits of exploring new destinations versus revisiting familiar ones? Exploring new destinations offers the excitement of discovery, the opportunity to broaden horizons, and the chance to create new memories. Revisiting familiar destinations, on the other hand, provides a sense of comfort, nostalgia, and the chance to deepen connections established during previous visits. Both options offer unique benefits depending on individual preferences and goals.